Welcome student. So as you know, we are learning our topic, that is preposition. 32 topic number and page number is 150. In the last two periods we have learned to do exercise number A, B and C. Our exercises are completed and we know now what are the preposition and what are the words that we use as a preposition. So preposition link noun, pronoun and phrases to other word in a sentence. So you know how they are helping to link the nouns and other words in the sentence. In the same way we are going to see some other preposition depending on how much below or object a person is. So see, it is on page number 117. We are going to take some example. I am going to explain you from this book. Okay. So be attentive. After exercise number C, page number 117. So you can see a picture is there, a tree is there and a hand. So we can see what are the words given here on this page. Similarly, we use under, below, beneath. Now the words we are going to see, preposition words that are under, below, beneath, depending on how much below the object or person is. So see, under यानी नीचे, below यानी उसके थोड़ा और नीचे, और beneath बहुत ही नीचे, सबसे नीचे, बहुत ही गहरा. That is under, below, beneath. How you have to remember? Under, below, beneath. In this way you have to remember these words. So examples are given up according to this picture. Just going to see, you can see a picture of a tree and cat is sitting, and here you can see beneath this the roots are there, the tree. So how can the sentence be framed on this? We are going to see that. Thus we say a cat is under a tree. See, in the picture you can see a cat is sitting where? Yes, under a tree. So what is the preposition used here? That is under. A cat is under the trees. Next one. The roots of the tree grow below the ground. So there are roots. So every tree has a root. So where are the roots? They are below the ground. Ground ke niche. This is a ground surface. Below this ground you can see the roots. उसको left ground को लग के फिर नीचे. It is below, and this is a tree. So you can see a tree is there and a cat. This is a cat. It's a picture of a cat. So where is that cat? She is under. Where is she? She is under the tree. This is the tree and sitting under the tree. The roots of the tree grow below the ground. So these are the roots. Where are they? Below. Ground ke niche. Next, it is beneath. Precious stones are found. So these are some precious stones. So these are all stones. Okay. So precious stones are found beneath the surface of the earth. So naturally, where is tree? From there the earth surface start, and beneath उसके बहुत नीचे. Where are the stones found? B-E-N-E-A-T-H. Beneath. So remember the spelling, you have to learn it. B-E-N-E-A-T-H. Beneath. उसके बहुत नीचे. So got it? Under, below, beneath. So with this example or in picture, it is more clear for us where we have to use this three preposition words. Okay. Same thing we are going to, same words we are going to use in this exercise. Exercise number D on page number 180. So we will start with the exercise D. Same as fill in the blanks with under. What we learn now, that one we have to use here in this blank, below, or we can use beneath. So just going to read the sentence and we know where we have to use this preposition words. Okay. The first one, the little boy hide dash the table. So a little boy, he wants to hide. So where is he hiding? Under the table. Where he is going to hide? Yes. Where is going to hide? That is under. Table ke niche. That is under. Next, place the pots dash the first floor windows. So place the pots. Pots are there. Where we have to place them? Below the first floor window. उसके नीचे रखना है. BELO रखना. बहुत नीचे नहीं. इसकी से that is below. Next, you must find the keys. So keys are there. So keys, you know, चाबियाँ. You will find the keys dash the mat. So where are these keys kept? See, mat, चटाई. उसके नीचे रखा. तो what is the preposition we are going to use? That is under the mat. The third one is under. Fourth, whales are found many miles dash the surface of ocean. So whale is a name of a fish. The whales are found many miles. So they are quite deep. They are deep in the water. So many miles dash beneath the surface of ocean. So in the ocean we can see them. So they are very deep. So we have to write the preposition that is beneath. Beneath the surface of ocean. Fifth one. Let us go and sit dash the tree. Let us go and sit where? Under the tree. Yes, when you are sitting under the tree. Number 6. The aeroplane was flying so high that the clouds were dash it. So when the aeroplane is flying, it flies so high that the clouds were. So when the aeroplane is there, it is flying up. And where are the clouds? Below. उसके नीचे clouds होते. So we have to write below it. Where are the clouds? Below that plane. Okay. Right here below. Seventh sentence. The street lamp lit the road dash. The street lamp, जो रोड के बाजू में लैंप होता है, लाइट लैंप, that is called as street lamp. Lit the road beneath. उसके नीचे का जो एरिया beneath. So उसके नीचे का जो एरिया है उसको वो लाइट देता है. तो that is beneath. Number 8. Draw line dash the word. So when you are drawing the line, it is under the word. What is the preposition going to use here? Under. Under the word. 9. Write your name dash the heading. Where you have to write your name? Below the heading. When you are writing something, this is a heading. Name of the lesson is the heading, suppose. Then write your name below. उसके नीचे आपको लिखना है. Write your name below the given heading. So what is the preposition in the sentence? Yes, that is below. Number 10. We have completed sentences. 9 sentences. 1 to 9. This is the 10th one. The 3 brothers buried the treasure dash the north tower. So where the 3 brothers buried the treasure? Yes, beneath. बहुत ही नीचे. That is beneath. number D. All the 10 sentences we have done our exercise C and D now. Okay. So please student complete this in your textbooks as well. Okay. So after completing exercise number D, we are going to move to exercise E. In this exercise, we are going to see the two prepositions, that is between and among. So where we have to use between and among, that we are going to learn first. Okay. See on page number 118. So where we have to use between, that we are going to see first. We use between when we talk about something or person. Where we have to use this between when we talk about something, किसी के बारे में thing or a person, किसी इंसान के बारे में, in or through the space that separate two things, people or place. So where we have to use this between in two people, to place, to things, where we consider only two. Remember this, okay? There we have to use between. For example, you can understand it more clearly. I am going to tell you with an example. The example we are going to refer are from book. Okay. See, for example, there was a table between two cots. So how many cots are there? They have mentioned? Yes, two. So there we have used the preposition, that is between. There was a table between the two cots. Second number. Today there is a football match between class 7 and class 7th A and 7th B. So which are the two classes mentioned? 7th A and 7th B. So in this two class there is a football match. So here we have to use the preposition, that is between. Third example. We saw a wonderful discussion between the teacher and students. So now how many persons are there again here? Yes, teacher and students. Maybe it is not one. Students mean many students. But students is considered as one group. So between teacher and group of students, that is many students. Okay. So between whom? Teacher and students. So here we have to use between. From this three example, I hope you have understood where we have to use between. Okay. Next, the next preposition, that is among. Now among, we use among when we talk about something or person in between more than two. More than two people. If we are talking about a people, that is in a mock, means more than two people. There we use the word, that is among. Example. Distribute the sweets among your classmates. So classmates are many students. They are not limited, and number is not mentioned 2, 3, 10. No, not 2. So there are many students in the class. So where we have to distribute the sweets among the classmates. So here we use the preposition, that is among. With this example, hope you have understood where we use the preposition between and among. Between two person, place or thing we use between, and more than two people, person we use among. This only you have to remember. So in the sentence it will be more clear to you with the given sentence in exercise number E. We are going to see exercise number E now. Page number 118 only. Same page to be continued. Fill in the blanks with between or among. Okay. The number 1. The farmer built a house dash the river and mountain. So what is mentioned now? A river and mountain is given there. So how many? Yes, it is between two. So what will be your answer? Yes, you can identify it quickly now. Exercise number E. I am going to just write the answers on the board. Please be attentive in the book and read out the sentences. So what are the answers I said you? Yes, it is between. Next, number 2. The old man said dash the children. Yes, there are many children. With the grandfather, there are many children with an old man. Okay. So, what is the preposition? Among. Right? The third one. Let us decide dash ourselves about what we will take to picnic. Now we have to decide what we have to take to picnic. Said Keshav. So among हम सब लोगों को decide करना पड़ेगा कि हम के लिए क्या लेके जाएं. तो there are more than 2 persons. So what is the preposition? Yes, you have to write among. Fourth. The baby crawled dash her mother legs. So here nothing is mentioned, only mother is mentioned. Yes, but we have to think. How many legs does a mother have? 2. And where is the baby crawling? In between her legs. So what is the preposition we are going to write? Yes, between. Fifth. The leader walked the crowd and greeted them. So crowd, do you think there are 2 people in the crowd? No, crowd means many people together. That is a crowd. So the leader walked, what is the answer? Yes, among the crowd and greeted them. Right answer, among. There are many people, so we are writing among. Number 6. Fiona shared the cake dash herself, Annie, Meg and Hazel. So what are the names given here? Herself, Annie. Herself means she is sharing that she is going to take from that piece. So she is said herself. Khud. Anna, Meg. 4 people are mentioned. They are more than 2. So what is the preposition you can think? Yes, it is among. Number 6. So what will be the answer? Among. Sentence number 7 is on page number 190. See there. Monastery is hidden dash the trees. So where is the monastery hidden? Chupna. कहाँ छुपा है? Trees. There are many more trees. No 2-3 trees are mentioned. There are many trees. So what is the preposition in the sentence? Among. Right? Among. 8th sentence. What is difference? Dash, a crow and a rock. So what is difference? 2 birds are living. Okay? Crow and rook. So these are only 2. So when there is 2, what we use? Yes, it is between. So write the answer, that is between. For sentence number 8. So in this way we have completed our exercise number E also. So hope you have understood where we have to use between and among the preposition in the exercise E in the sentences. So please students, write carefully in your textbook and revise them. Thank you students.